Welcome, class. Find your seat at the carpet. We are going to discuss sight words with this short clip. This page says instructions. Who can read them for me? Here is our I can statement. Let's read this together so we know exactly what we will be doing today. 3, 2, 1. I can identify sight words. Nice work, class. Now here is my statement for you. I want you to identify 4 out of 5 sight words when I give you my list. Sound great? Thumbs up. Okay, here we have some pictures. Let's think back about yesterday's presentation where we looked at the pictures and used our context clue to figure out the missing word. First, who can tell me what a context clue is? Great work! We'll be using the knowledge and information given in the paragraph to tell us what our missing sight word might be. I'll read the paragraph for you. When there's a blank, I'm going to clap my hands. The weekend I to the store with my mom. The store didn't until 9 o'clock. So we had a cookie first. Then we went to meet our friends at the park. What could those missing sight words might be? Let's look at our pictures to help us. You think about it and see if you can answer which ones could fit in the blanks. Students, great work! Thank you for being awesome listeners today. Here is our answers to our story. On the weekend, I went to the store with my mom. The store didn't open until 9 o'clock, so we had a cookie first. Then we went to meet our old friends at the park. We'll be reviewing more sight words tomorrow. Great job!